Hi Wayne, I want to show you the machine from Canon or Cosmo Laser. Look Wayne, this manifold, it's close to the lens. It's very easy to use. I can control the up and the down, and sometimes I can look the operation of the marking. Okay? This light and the focus finder. By this focus finder, I can fix any object. This is the vacuum. I don't want it. I just only use in the golden cutting. This one I can use it in the plain metal. Okay, look. It's very important. Control from tab XY is very flexible. Look, it is in the right, not in the left. Okay, look. Hey. Okay, Wayne. Thank you, Wayne.